Okay, we're live now. Hello, if you are watching. Oh, the chat is not liking this. Let's open this. Okay, we're gonna ask someone. We're gonna ask a random person. There's an error in 2PG. Remove async. I fixed that in the latest update, but there we go. Okay, so is participant 2 actually AFK? Should we have the... Okay, how about this? How about I'm the judge and then you two are the participants? Or we just give Google Doodler $25 and then end the stream. And then try again another time. We could do that. I think I got no time though. I'm making assets. Okay. Wait, so can you still judge? Hold on. Oh. Pro gamer, do you want to join? Okay, let's zoom in the chat. Okay, so you're the... Okay, so you be the judge. I'll be the... judge. I'll be the second judge, but is Pro Gamer joining? We actually need another member. Otherwise, we're just going to title this giving... Okay, so if you want to be in this challenge, then go to NJR Community. We did pick 4 people, but and then we delayed it, which may have confused them. Nice. Okay, so thank you, Pappy. This is an experiment, by the way. If it completely fails, that's okay. But we're trying something new today. It might not fail. I'll fix these errors after the stream. It's probably your URL might be messed up. So in pings. Okay. Let's move this up. Hi. So ask if you want to be in the event. Originally it was like a random 4 people out of 13. It's not a lot, but if we do well, it will be $100. And whoever wins this gets to go for that one too. Okay. Okay. No, just any website. Yep, any type of front-end website. Let me add that. Ask in general if you want to participate in this event. I am in. Okay, there's no topic. Should we make a topic, do you think? Okay, let me add you to event. Do you think we should make a topic? It's not a lot of money. I'll do more for the next ones. This is a test. Okay, so in participants, we're going to add participant 2. We only need 2 people for this, so Plugaru's gone. Now we just need imposter. There we go. Did I add him or her? I don't know. There we go. Okay, join event. I think next time if there is a next time, I'll make a bot that creates all the participant channels. The voice, the VC. Okay. I'm gonna be participating too. Hello if you're watching. We're just getting ready for the event. Join VC, please. Okay, how about... Oh, hello there. He appears to be deafened. Okay. Okay, if you undeafen, that'll be helpful. So... Hello, we're gonna start now. So, go to this website. You can make any, I think, oh no, static. We're going with static. Sorry. Oh. Okay, so the plan is go to this link right here. And I'm going to be participating too, but I'm not going to be competing. Whoever makes the best website in 1 hour gets $25. And it ends in 1 hour, so let's go. And you can type your progress here if you want, if you have any messages. We are now starting. Okay, so I'm just going to deafen for now, so I can talk to the live chat. If I have anything to say, then I'll undeafen or unmute. Okay, so what I'm planning to do is, okay, let's go to Code 8 Live right here. So we made this on stream ages ago. I think it's very basic and we can do a lot better. Okay. Judge, if you are listening to this, Pappy, make sure they don't cheat. And the rules are here. somewhere. Let me just get the rules real quick. It's not the best organization, but it's a start. So, oh, I added everyone. Oops. I don't think they can see it though. So there we go. They are the rules. Event ends in 58 minutes from now. And now we're going to disable this. Okay. Okay, so we can't send messages, that's fine, but they can read them. Okay, so we're actually going to level this up in 1 hour, so let's do that. Okay, so we can't actually copy other people's work, we have to make it from scratch, and that's part of the rules. So it's kind of like making a code pen in a way. Okay. So we're just going to use styles here. If you want to say anything, you can say it in here, Pappy. If you have anything to say over live chat. Event has started. Okay, so I'm gonna actually add a style sheet here. Oh. Okay, so we want a background of... We're actually gonna get a color theme for this. Now, you can't really copy code, so... Well, actually, we can copy colors. That's a cool thing. I like this one. Okay. So this will be the... Could be the background. Or it could be this. Okay. I guess this is the primary. Secondary and tertiary. Okay, we're also going to check in on how they're doing. Repl it. Are we using Repl it now? Okay. I didn't think of Repl it, but I guess. Thank you for subscribing. I'm not sure how you say the name, but thank you. 11 viewers, that's good. Okay, how long do we have left? I guess I should put a timer on the screen. I don't know how to use OBS, so it's a problem. Probably should know. OBS timer. I guess I'll put it in during the video if I make one. But we have 55 minutes, we have plenty of time. Okay. So we set the background color here. So also all of these will be judged. Purpose, UI, user experience, content, all of this. That's what is being judged. Background primary. Kind of works. Could have a light background. We'll use a dark one for now. Okay. I'm gonna have a heading color of white. Okay. And we're also gonna change the font. I didn't actually write hello there. So we need a good purpose for our website. Let me read chat. Hello. Don't break your keyboard. Just using Argon UI template. Okay, I'm not really sure what that is. Sounds interesting though. Okay, so our logo looks a bit like this. We actually need to escape the characters. There we go. I'm not sure if this counts as copy and pasting code, so... But we're using a less than sign, and then putting this in between. I'm gonna have this a different color. So... I'm gonna make a few files here, so assets. So we're actually going to have this and theme. Okay, so it's nearly been 10 minutes. That was very quick. I'm going to check on you in a minute. Okay. Guess it's going well so far. Oh. Okay, well, the old second participant joined then left. Okay. So what is Code Alive about? Well, what can we make in 60 minutes for the homepage? I want it to be very catchy. I guess it's self-promotion, really. So I guess the website's for promoting the courses. But we can make it a bit more exciting than that. How do you have a browser instead of VS Code? We're using StackBlitz, and it's basically there's a VS Code project that allows you to have it VS Code in the browser. I believe there's a repo on that. Yep. Hi, Musiki. Okay, so we're not actually going to use Impact, we're going to use something different. And you can use Bootstrap, by the way. You can use Bootstrap. You can use any external library. Okay, let's check on the progress. Hold on. Let me remove the theme real quick. We have a script here. What is this? Theme.css. Let's add this into here. Okay. I should have put this here. There we go. We're gonna check on them in a minute. Okay, that looks good. We just need to get rid of the styles, the font family. And now we have bootstraps. Okay, so I'm using HTML for now. That's good. So can you share okay, let me imposter. Can you share the progress of your app? Okay. Can you send a link? I think sending a link would be better than sending... Okay. Hey. Nice. It's a start. It's a start. Okay, so we'll pin that. I guess it gets updated with the code changes. Okay, Google Doodler. Can you share your StackBlitz link? You can do it like this. Hello, LoadXWar. We are trying something very new today. I've started the code, that is good. I've actually not done anything like this before, or any videos. It's interesting. Custom themes, we could have that. So we could have that. Okay. Pappy is doing well at organizing. So that is good. Run this project. Okay, well, it's a start. Okay. Thank you for watching. A website that says hey. It's a start. Okay. Granger wants to join. Should we just add random people to the thing? I think we should. I think we should just add people, but they'll be at a disadvantage. Okay, we're gonna add people. I'm sorry. So, we'll add one more because we originally planned to add 3. That's why. So, it might affect things. I want to join the event too. Hello. You are now in the event.
Yo.
Let me give you the role real quick. Okay, so you have a channel. Ranger, let me just add you to this channel. Okay, you have like 45 minutes, I believe.
Right.
You can use REPL it or StackBlitz. Let me get the link. So it's basically this. Okay. Yeah, we were originally meant to have 3 people, but they kind of were not ready.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
there we go. So you can start whenever you're ready. That'll be good.
Yeah, I'm starting.
Okay. The winner will also be able to go for $100 if this event goes well, because it's completely experimental.
Oh, damn.
Okay, so I'm just gonna deafen until I have something to say. Okay. Cool. We have 3 people now. Okay. We're gonna have a light and dark theme. I'm actually... Okay, let's have a light and dark theme. Okay, so theme dark, we can just copy this. Black. Hold on. We're gonna copy Discord's branding themes. Okay, so we're gonna make full use of Bootstrap, I guess. And then we'll see what we end up with at the end. I'm actually gonna promote my courses. I don't know what else to do, to be honest. That was the original plan, anyway. So, just a really cool website to do that. Just leveling up this. With dark and light themes, just a really leveled up version of this in under an hour. Is it possible to be a judge? Yes, in future ones. What are you using to code? StackBlitz and front-end CSS, HTML, JS. Okay, so let's check up on how people are doing. So, participant 1. Let's see. Let me undeafen real quick. Okay, so Google Doodle, is this your project here? Is this like how it is now? If you could share another link, that would be good. It's just showing the default one. Okay, so I'll check back on you in a minute. Imposter. Let's see how Imposter is doing. Okay, this is Imposter right now. Let me just check it real quick. Okay, it looks like he's making a portfolio or something, which is good, but he hasn't progressed yet, or they have not. Okay, Okay, so share it whenever you make progress and I'll check on it. Okay. Granger.
Yeah.
Can you share your link, please?
Sorry, but I haven't made anything yet. Like, it's not.
Oh. Let's see it
I think
though.
this is mine.
Okay, it's loading. How long do we have left? I think we have nearly 35 minutes left. We're nearly halfway. Okay, let's see. Okay, we'll check back on you soon. I guess 1 hour's a short amount of time. Okay, so here we have our website. Let's make a dark and light theme. Now we want jQuery to simplify this. So it seems they haven't made too much progress, but it's only been like 20 minutes. So jQuery, we haven't made much progress, to be fair. Okay, jQuery CDN. Hello if you are still watching. Let's go for the slim minified. We don't need much, just that one. So we're just gonna import this. There we go. So now what we can do is we're gonna add a select real quick. So we're gonna add two themes, a light and a dark. And there it is. And we're actually gonna make this a form group. Or a form control, sorry. There we go. Cool. So when we select this, it changes the theme, that is the idea. So at 53, there will be 30 minutes left because we end at 23. It's awkward timing. There we go. Class container. Okay, there we go. Let's have a Jumbotron. Am I allowed to use Google for color hex code? Yes. But don't copy other people's code. That's basically the #1 rule. Hello, if you are joining. Hello, Robert and Devil Services. So we're making our website here. Container, interesting. Ah, there we go. Now we can type BG transparent, and there we go. we have a light and dark theme. I guess to make it look slightly better, 18 viewers, that is really good. I think that's the most I've seen actually, so hello if you're watching. Hello Dank Reporting, I think I remember you from one of the Discord streams. Okay, if we use MD Bootstrap, sorry. This is quite powerful. And we're gonna use that instead of Bootstrap, the regular one. Okay, so we import all of this. It's quite a lot. And then we import, we don't need Roboto, but, so there's 33 minutes left of the challenge. Obviously this is very experimental and the prices are low at the minute. There we go, but we have something here. It seems to be overwriting us, which is a problem. So we don't need Roboto. So it's this that is overwriting. So if we remove Jumbotron, it might be better. Okay. That is messing up things. That was not a good idea, but it's worth a try. 31 minutes left. It's not a long time. Okay. So we have our theme selector here. We're just going to stick with Bootstrap for now. So when they change this theme, the actual theme here changes. So let's add that. So we select this ID theme selector. .on select so we actually want to select the element here, const so we select this .val and that should be the value. Let's just log what value we select. Okay, it's giving it double quotes. Okay, let's see. Select a value. What? Theme selector .on change. How about that? We're not importing this, are we? Okay, so there might be a problem here. So we're actually going to put defer there, and then we're going to add this after. So it executes after, and then we might be getting close. Hello, that's what it says. Oh, assets.script, it's cached. There we go. Okay, what are we missing here? Hold on. Let's add this here. Cannot read property on of null. So apparently theme selector seems to be null for some reason. So let's add this. Oh, so we need to add document.ready or put this at the bottom. Let's put this at the bottom. And we should be good. Perhaps. Okay. Cannot read. It's still doing that. So we'll add this, which should make it ready. When it's ready, do this. What? That might be a problem. Okay, well, we'll check back on that in a minute. Who did you challenge? 3 people. Okay, so let's check back on the progress. There is 27 minutes left. It's quite a quick event. Okay, so we're going to check how everyone has done. Okay, hopefully there's no copying going on, but this looks really good right now. In 20 minutes, or however long, 33 minutes, something like that. This looks really good. I'm going to assume you didn't copy and paste, though, so I'm trying to question. Okay, so if you have the link, Google Doodler, please show the link, and so we can see. Hello there, my other page. Okay. I'm not sure what I just clicked on. Where have we got so far? Let's see. This is Granger's project, by the way. I'm not sure if it's loading. It just says.
I'm not sure why it doesn't load.
You can share the link here by copying the URL like that on the share URL part.
Give me a second.
Okay.
Alright, it's the same, but I mean, should load.
Okay, so it's not loading for some reason at the minute. Okay, so we'll check back in a minute. Just gonna continue my project. Be right back. So There it is. Now, the problem is here. We're being beaten, although we're not competing, so we need to fix that a bit. So, I'd say in number 1, we've got, in my opinion, I'm not really the single judge. There's 2 judges. That imposter is currently winning at the minute. Assuming they did not copy and paste. Okay, so we have light and dark theme. Now we want this to work, but for whatever reason it is not working. So when we select, we want it to alert, but it is not alerting, which is interesting. Theme selected, where is that? So if we get select is null, that's really weird. Select theme selector. Okay, well we can Google our problems. Stack blitz cannot select element. Okay, well, see if we can document query select it. Interesting. Okay, so it's in one of these, so that is, what does this mean? It's in a shadow DOM, I believe these are called, or something like that. An iframe. Correct me if I'm wrong. So what we do is we select that, like that, const. So we're just going to do doc or something. Okay. We have this here. I'm not sure if it's been selected, so document. Just use the DOM for now. Okay, so doc. Now this is, if we type like remove or something, it should remove the element in theory. Let's just log the doc. Okay, so null. That is very weird. Stack blitz. Scripts not working. I can't select anything. This is very weird. So console.log. It's not going well for us at the minute. Document.query selector. Document.body. Okay, so it somewhat works. Document.onload. And then we're just gonna log this, see if it's gonna work. Window download. Oh, we're getting somewhere now, so it's logging this. That's what we want. Okay. So on, change, it's on select. So this value, so local storage dot set item theme value document, then we just set the body dot, or the, we just select HTML and then add the attribute there, so theme value, that's it. So now we're also gonna log, well, we're gonna see document dot document. Does this actually have the HTML somewhere? It does not. Okay, there is 17 minutes left. We're nearly done. I am not nearly done. That's a shame. Okay, so there's a problem here. It really does not want to work. Okay, so we're gonna combat this by, because we're using StackBlitz, we're actually going to set the value of the body here, or whatever we can select. Document.body.set attribute, and then in theme, we can just do this, bit, root, or just body like that. Body, like that. There we go, so that could work. There's potential. I don't know what's going on. Okay, apparently there's things here, but we can't see anything. Do we have the light theme though? That's the question. The theme's not being set properly. Okay, we'll go with, I'm not sure if the custom themes are gonna work. We're gonna have to skip this part because we're using StackBlitz and we don't have long. If I was competing, my project would have failed. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna check back on everyone. Hello if you're watching the video. Should be .on change, yeah. Okay. Okay, so participant 1. Participant 1 had to go for whatever reason. Okay. So is this Granger's project? Preset not specified. That's what it's saying. It's just giving me this error for some reason. I don't know why. It could be a cache problem. Okay, so there we go. We have our half-working theme selector. So because the default theme is this, we actually put selected like that. Okay. So when we refresh, that's selected. We're running out of time. We have 13 minutes left. So let's check up on participant 2 real quick. Okay. Is this copy and pasted? Hold on. It looks extremely cool. I'm not sure if this is copy and pasted at the minute. Is this copy and pasted? Yeah, we know who's winning. I mean, it's quite hard to enforce at the minute, so we don't know if they copy and pasted. We can check if they have based on what they've made or the actual code. If there's like 1,000 lines, then they have copy and pasted. Okay. So let's add cards real quick before we run out of time. So below here we're actually gonna add them. So let me add a label like that called theme, like that. Okay. Theme. So now let's have some cards here that show off the advertise. Okay, let's add some of these. So div class card. Div class card header. We're gonna have a row of these. Or we could just center them, I guess. I think a row is better. So we'll just have placeholder text for now. There is 10 minutes left. 10 minutes left. It's been very quick. Okay. Course description. Looks okay so far. So we want a dark theme, kind of. So, background secondary, tertiary. Okay, so we actually want to change this up real quick. Interesting. Okay, so we don't want a border. But But that's on the card, that is the problem. So we actually want a shadow, so Tailwind CSS. Box shadow. They have changed this recently. CSS shadow. I guess this is not really other people's. Is this cheating? Hold on. Yeah. It's not really cheating, it's... Hold on. It's not really... Okay, I guess I won't do this, because it's kind of cheating in a way. Hello, if you're joining. There are like 8 minutes left, nearly. We're getting close. Grey. Okay. We just want 0, 0, 0, 0.3, so it's kind of transparent nearly. We could have just done this. Hard to see. Empty. Margin top 2, so there we go. So we have one course there, we have another here. There are 6 minutes left. We are close, getting close. Okay. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, let's add a nav bar real quick. Okay, so I guess this is allowed. I allow this because this is a library. Basically copying from here. That's allowed. Judges. I've seen him code though, but now his code doesn't show up, so I'm not too sure. I guess what they could have done is planned it before the stream and then copied it, which is not copied and pasted, like copied it from like a phone or something, which is allowed. I allow that as long as they didn't copy and paste. Okay, this is way too big of a nav bar. We just want the most basic one. Like that. There we go. So we need an image. Hold on. Let's have this nav bar be dark real quick. We have 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left. He took it down. Let's see. I'm not sure. so the navbar will be background color. Just this. Oh, we could do something like that, so it looks like it's slightly darker. Okay, so we have 3 minutes left. Okay, we need to... Well, I need to hurry up. Let's copy this image. So, max width. Okay. Icon.png. It's so stretched. Okay, that's too small, so 64. It's coming together, but we only have 2 minutes left, so we better hurry up. I'll check their projects in a minute, though. We have 1 minute left. Display 2. Well, let's see if this is going to work last second. Okay, so it doesn't work in this console, it only works in this console right here. Let's see what the local storage is, if that's possible to use. .get item theme. Okay, I'm not sure if it works here in this DOM, but it was a good idea. Okay, so the time is up. Okay, so... Okay. We're done now. Time is up. So, this is my project right here. Let me share it, why not? It's okay. What went wrong is I didn't know I couldn't change the theme. I think it's slightly better than the one we have here. So, it might be worth using. But there we go. Okay. So, participant 1, let's see. Who has gone, but... Okay, this is Google Doodler, but he had to go. Okay, judges will now judge, but we'll see all of them. Okay, let's look at Google Doodlers. So this is participant 1. Okay, so he has this Some of the font is hidden, but he had to go early. Okay, let's see what it looks like with the dark background real quick. Background black. That is easier to see. Okay. So this is Google Doodlers without the background. Okay. Is this copy and pasted? I think this is copy and pasted, I'll be honest. It is good, but okay. He realized he wanted to oh, I can't speak. He wanted to become a Google Doodler. That is interesting. But there is his or their website. That's participant 1. So I'll paste that here. Let me reopen that. There we go. Okay, imposter. This is his version. Let's see. I want to see the code as well. Otherwise, we can't really judge it. Okay, so he has a 404 page. They have a 404 page. Maybe that's added to Replit. Don't laugh at mine. This is imposters. Okay, so judges, what do you think about the first one? Oh, so this is Google Doodlers one. Let's see. So he did use Bootstrap, I guess. So this is the first one. Now the second one is here. So let me just send you this. Okay, second one, let's judge this one. Okay, he has, well, they have a very cool background here, I guess. Scroll down, this is very cool. It's quite simple. Here's the second one, let's see. Sorry, images don't load, that's okay. So this one, and there's one more, participant 3. Let's see.
Oh yeah, that's me.
Granger.
Does it load?
Oh. Is your project gonna load?
Yeah, that's what I wonder too.
Okay, it doesn't seem to be loading at the minute. So we're just going to judge the first one now. First one seems like a copy of the testimonial one. So it's well made and mobile friendly. Okay, so I'd give this an 8 out of 10. If we're going to rate it, because these images are not complete. We're not going to rank mine, because mine's could use a lot of improvement, and none of it was copied, pretty much. Only a small part. Okay, but this is very good. Now this is 2. 8 out of 10, okay. So the first one gets a score of 16, no, 20, because 10 plus 10 is 20. So we're gonna, I'm the second judge, by the way. 16 out of 20. So whoever beats that wins, I guess. So this is Jewels, Sujal Jewel. I think I said it right, I'm not sure. Or it's Imposter. I probably said that very badly. Sorry for that. But this, it has a coloured scroll bar. The background is very cool. I really like this touch here. We're gonna look at the code in a minute. We need to also rate the code. So the code, it looks a bit copy and pasted for number 1. So that's what gave it an 8, but we're done with that. So 2, let me get that up. Hold on. Let's get to the edit, the code for number 2. So let's rank the second one. You can rank that. I'll rank it here. Okay, so it's importing a few files locally, and they're separated into different folders, which is cool. So it's quite organized. And then they even have a schema here, which is for when we search Google for something like how do I invite Discord bot. If we get something like this is what that is. So that is a very cool touch. I think it's called schema XML or something. And then we have some classes. Okay, so it looks a bit, the underscores, it might be copy and pasted. It has AOS, which is, allows you to, it's animate on scroll, has animations. It has fade up. It has jQuery AOS 3. There's a lot to this. There's a lot to it. So, assuming it's not all copy and pasted, I'm gonna give this a 9. What are you gonna give it, Pappy? Your name is confusing me. Hello if you're watching. We're nearly finished. 17 viewers, that is great. Okay, I'd give it a 9 out of 10. And then 10 being... Let's see what the 10 condition will be. What to improve on. I'd probably make all of these local in the same, for faster loading, probably in the same here somewhere. Like have these files in here. I guess that's more of a personal preference, to be honest. It's pretty close to a 10 though. I mean, is it mobile friendly? I forgot to judge this one. Is it mobile friendly? Okay, let's reload. Okay, so 9. Okay, so it doesn't seem to be too mobile friendly. I forgot to judge this, so that's something to improve upon. So 9.5. Okay, so I'll give you an 8.5 actually, because it's not mobile friendly. But so we have 8.9, 8.5 plus 9.5. Let's add that up. 18 out of 20. Yeah, it's a cool background. So participant 3 has got theirs ready. I have. So this is participant 3. Okay, so this is Granger's. It looks like they have Bootstrap. Okay. It says, sorry I'm bad at this, lol. Wish I knew about this earlier. Wow. So they're importing Bootstrap styles. It's just default scripts. The default layout and script. Yeah, it's just hello. About me, Discord bot. Okay. This would be called advertisement. About me. Wow, we have something here. That's not all. We have bot.html. We have multiple pages on this one. We have one more, but it's hard-coded in. 100 servers, discriminator, username. Okay, I guess they got stuck. The time limit was pretty bad, to be honest. It's not bad, it was just very time constrained. There's not much you could do with 1 hour, to be honest. So, you tried. I'll give you a 6 for trying, because it might also be mobile friendly. Let's test that before I give it a rating. Hold on. Okay, actually, the navbar isn't opening, so I'll give you a 5 on this one. It has multiple pages, that's one feature that stands out. And you did use Bootstrap. And he did join late, so I guess it is at a disadvantage. A 7. I think I should give him a 6 because he did join a bit late. Obviously, if we do this again, it'll be much better organized. in 45 minutes here. He had a 15-minute disadvantage, so 6 out of 10. There we go. So 13 out of 20. There we go. So imposter, you have won. Because you have got the highest rating, you can undeafen. Okay, let me tell imposter that he has won, or they have won. Okay. You have won $25. It's not that much, but if this does well, we'll do $100 and you'll be participating in it. So that's good. I'll send you it after the stream, but there we go. So these will be hosted. Do you think we should host them on the website? Because they are open source. I think we should have a website for them on Coder Live. I should add that for the competition results and then add them in the description eventually. But there we go. So there's the stream. Thank you if you were watching that. That was very experimental, by the way. So imposter 1. I'll paste the winning one in the chat real quick. Not this one. Hold on. Participant 2. So this one did win. So if we do this again, it will be $100. I'm sorry if it's a bad stream, I'm not sure. I'm really trying to experiment with things here. Good work, imposter. So if we do this again, it'll be much better organized. There'll be more people, more money, more rewards. This was completely experimental, but there we go. Thank you for watching. And I'll PayPal or pay whoever won, which was imposter, the money after the stream. So, thank you.